Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Stan. So today I'm preparing a sa prawns curry. So I thought along with that I'll fry a fish. So I bought this pomfret. This is silver pomfret. I will fry this pomfret with green masala. The combination of the prawns curry and pomfret fry goes well. So stick till the end while we prepare this green masala and stuff it in the pomfret and fry it. By the way, this was my third take. My mouth just waters when I say pomfret fry. So without further ado, let's get started. So here I've taken 3 silver pomfret. I have made a pocket here, okay, so that we can stuff the masala. So I've washed it and now we will season it. Okay, I'll just transfer this into a deep box so that it gets easier for us to marinate. Salt, turmeric powder. Okay, that's it, and now we will keep this aside. And now for the masala, I'll be taking handful of fresh coriander leaves, 6 to 7 garlic cloves, 1 inch ginger. Now here I've taken 4 green chilies, out of which I have de-seeded 2. Now these are dark green chilies and I don't want it spicy, but if you want it spicy, you can skip the de-seeding part. Just a handful of grated coconut, salt for taste, and turmeric powder. I'll add in little water and we will grind this into a smooth paste. Okay, now one ingredient I forgot to add, that's lemon juice. Okay, that's it. Our green masala is ready. Okay, so the masala is ready. Alright, and now we'll dry roast the ground masala along with 1 medium size onion which are finely chopped. Okay, so we'll fry this onion until they are slightly brown. So the onions are turning brown and now I will add in the green masala. Okay, we'll just roast it well. Now in my mixer there is some masala left. So what I'll do is I'll just rinse it with little water and I'll add it little by little. Once you see the masala is getting dried, you can add in some more. Alright, so it's been around 10 minutes that I roasted this masala well. Okay, now I'll put the flame off. We'll let it cool down. Before we start stuffing the pomfret, here in a plate for the coating, we will take rava and rice flour. We'll add a little salt and we'll mix it well. Okay, and now we'll start stuffing the pomfret. Now make sure that you stuff the pomfret well in all the pockets. And also just try to apply the masala over the pomfret. And now we'll coat this with the rava and rice flour. Once it's coated well, we'll start frying it. So in a pan I've heated oil and in which I'll be adding in curry leaves and 2 garlic cloves smashed. So this is just to flavorize the oil. And now goes in the stuffed pomfret. Okay, I'll put the flame low and I'll cover this with a lid. Okay, now we need to cook the pomfret for a good 3 to 4 minutes on each side so that it cooks well. Alright, so once the fish is fried from both the sides for around 3 to 4 minutes each side, it's time to remove the pomfret and it's ready to be served. Wow, look at this. The pomfret is perfectly cooked. Look at the masala stuffed in. This masala also is cooked properly. The pomfret is fried on both the sides well. And now it's time to taste. My mouth is already watering. Look at this. The pomfret is very soft, crispy from the outside and juicy from the inside, and the masala also is tasting well. And one more thing, you can use this masala for mackerel as well, the bangda. You can stuff the mackerel with this masala. It will taste awesome. Let me know in the comments below how you like this recipe, how you like this video, and share this video with your friends and family. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing. Till then, my name is Stan. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.